let's discuss about persoonswoorden, that is personal pronouns, in detail in Dutch. So we know that there are different personal pronouns in Dutch. We have got ik for I, je, jij for you, u for you out of respect, hij for he, zij for she, wij, we for we, jullie for you people, and zij for they. These are the personal pronouns in simple form. And if we want to say I love my house, you love your dog, so how do we write my, your, his, her, their in Dutch? Let's see. You have to remember two regels, two rules. If we are using a voorzetsel, that is, if we are using a preposition, then there is a different set of persoonswoorden, and zonder or without the voorzetsels, there is a different set of persoonswoorden. Now in voorzetsel, after the voorzetsel or after the preposition, we will write my, jou, u for hem, hij, for hij, hem, for they, haar, and for wij, ons, for jullie, it is jullie, and for they, we write hen. And if we are not using a voorzetsel, there is a preposition in a zin, in a sentence, then there is a little different set of persoonswoorden. If we are not using voorzetsel, then we will write me, jou of je, jou or je, u, hem, haar, ons, jullie, and hen and hun of they. Now let's take some examples. If we want to say this is my car or this is my book, then we will say dit book is van, or let's suppose dit house is van mij. If someone asks us van wie is dit house, then you can say dit house is van mij. Van wie is dit house, then we can say dit house is van mij, is my house. Dit house is van jou. So we are using a preposition, a voorzetsel. Therefore we will say dit house is van u, van haar, van hem, van ons, van jullie, and van hen. So we will use this set of persoonswoorden, and without the persoonswoorden we will be using these: my of me, jou of je, u, hem, haar, ons, jullie, hen, hun, ze. For example, he praat met mij of me, he praat met jou of je, he spreekt met u, and so on, so forth. And let's talk about these persoonswoorden for dingen, things. We have discussed that there are two types of words. Some words starts with da, and other words in their singular form starts with het. Da jongen, het house. So those words which start with da, we use hem for the person form. For example, if we say waar is the bus, waar is the bus, then you can answer ik zie hem niet, I don't see it. But if we have a het word, for example book, then we use het instead of hem to refer it again. For example, waar is het book? The answer would be ik zie het niet. So if the words start are the da words, then we use hem, and if the words are the het word, then we use het. And if the word is in meervoud, that is in plural. For example, da war seien the Jungens. The answer would be ich, sie, sie, nicht. So for Dingens or persons, those words which start with da, we use hem. Those words which start with het, we use het. And if they are in Meervoud, then we use ze to refer them.